tissue system. Group of several tissues having common origin, working as an unit, performing similar function or set of different functions called tissue system. Based on structure, that is morphology, and position, that is location, von Sasse gave three types of tissue system in plants: epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, vascular tissue system. Each tissue system has particular set of tissues which are associated together to perform specific function. Epidermal tissue system arise from protoderm or dermatogen made up of epidermis and associated structures like stomata, hairs, and trichome. Hair and trichome, also called epidermal appendages. Ground tissue system arise from ground meristem or periblain, divided into three zones or three regions. Number one, cortex consists of hypodermis, general cortex, and endodermis. Number two, pericycle. Number three, pit or medulla. Vascular tissue system arise from procambium or plerome, made up of xylem, phloem, and cambium. Epidermal tissue system, ETS, found on outermost part of plant organs, root, stem, and leaf. ETS includes three different components. Number one, epidermis. Number two, stomata, that is epidermal associated structure. Number three, epidermal appendages, root hair and shoot hair, also called trichome. Epidermis, it forms outer covering of root, stem, and leaf, made up of thin-walled, compactly arranged parenchymatous cells without intercellular space, chloroplast absent, have large vacuole and peripheral cytoplasm, mostly exist in single layer and has direct contact with environment. In Nerium, Banyan, that is ficus, pepronia, and begonia, epidermis is multilayered. The epidermis of root is called rhizodermis or epiblema or piliferous layer. Epidermis generally found in primary structure of plant parts. In the epidermis of young stem and leaf, there is presence of thick or thin water impermeable waxy layer called cuticle, made up of cutin, a type of lipid. Cuticle is absent in root epidermis. Functions of epidermis: provide protection to inner structures or tissues, prevent loss of water due to transpiration, involved in absorption of water with reference to root epidermis, resist invasion of pathogens. Stomata, singular, stoma. Stoma is a pore or an aperture which is surrounded by two guard cells. Guard cells are joined at endings or tips and are free in the center, that results in pore formation. Pore together with guard cells called stoma or stomata. Guard cells are special modified epidermal cells which are kidney or bean shaped in dicot stomata and are dumbbell shaped in monocot stomata. In stomata, there are two guard cells generally. Guard cells have nucleus and presence of chloroplast. Guard cells have radially arranged cellulose microfibrils. Inner wall of guard cell is thick and outer wall of guard cell is thin. Guard cells are surrounded by special epidermal cell without chloroplast called subsidiary cells or helper cells. Guard cells control opening and closing of stomata. Functions of stomata. Stomata performs process of transpiration, that is loss of water in the form of water vapor. Stomata is also involved in exchange of gases, that is O2 and CO2. When guard cells are turgid due to endoosmosis of water, stomata opened. When guard cells are flaccid due to exosmosis of water, stomata closed. In radial arrangement of cellulose microfibrils inside guard cells, one end of microfibrils attached with outer wall and other end is attached with inner wall. Microfibrils help in turgid and flaccid condition of guard cells. Epidermal appendages. Number one, trichome represents extra cells associated with stem epidermis. It can be branched or unbranched, can be stiff or soft. Cuticle layer is present. It is long living structure. Trichome prevents loss of water. Trichome is secretory or glandular structure, secretes sticky materials for capturing, killing and obtaining nutrients from insects, etc. Number two, root hair represents outgrowth or outfold of epiblema cells of root. It is single cell tubular outgrowth of epiblema cells having vacuole and peripheral cytoplasm. Root hair is soft and unbranched. Root hair is short living. Cuticle layer is absent. Cells of epiblema that form root hair called trichoblast. Root hair involved in absorption of water and increase water absorption surface area of root. Trichome is multicellular structure. Types of stomata. Epistomatic stomata. Stomata present on upper surface of leaves. For example, floating leaves of lotus, Victoria nymphea. Hypostomatic stomata. Stomata present on lower surface of leaves. For example, dicot leaves. Amphistomatic stomata. Stomata present on both upper and lower surface of leaves. For example, monocot leaves. Astomatic stomata. Stomata absent on leaves. For example, Vallisneria hydrilla. Photoactive stomata. Stomata opened during day and closed during night. Scotoactive stomata. Stomata closed during day and opened during night. For example, desert plants. Ground tissue system, that is GTS, forms bulk of plant body, contains or made up of all kinds of simple permanent tissues, represent tissue system except epidermal and vascular tissue system, also called fundamental tissue system. Zones or regions of ground tissue system. Ground tissue system divided into three zones. Number one, cortex, found below epidermis and above pericycle, divided into three different layers. Small a, hypodermis, present below epidermis and above general cortex, found in dicot and monocot stem, absent in dicot and monocot root. Hypodermis is few layered, that is 3 to 4 or multi-layered. In dicot stem, made up of collenchyma tissue, and in monocot stem made up of sclerenchyma tissue. Hypodermis provides mechanical support. In young dicot stem, collenchymatous hypodermis also performs photosynthesis. Small b, general cortex, found below hypodermis and above endodermis in stem, and below epiblema and above endodermis in root, made up of multilayered, loosely arranged parenchyma tissue or cells. Also contains oil ducts and raging ducts involved in storage of food and other substances. Small c, endodermis, last layer of cortex zone, present below general cortex and above pericycle. Endodermis is absent in monocot stem, found in dicot stem and monocot and dicot root. In dicot stem, endodermis is single layered, made up of compactly arranged without intercellular spaces, barrel shaped cells contain starch grain. So endodermis, also called starch sheath, gives blue color with iodine. Endodermis related to dicot and monocot root. Endodermis shows presence of Casparian strip, which is a band-like deposition of suberin, water impermeable waxy material on radial and tangential walls of endodermal cells. Casparian strip discovered by scientist Caspari. Due to presence of Casparian strip, endodermis acts as watertight dam, prevents leakage of water from inner layers. Casparian strip is absent in those endodermal cells which are present in front of protoxylem. These cells are called passage cells or transfusion cells. Presence of Casparian strip helps in unidirectional entry of water towards xylem through passage cells. Pericycle. It is second zone of ground tissue system, present in dicot stem and dicot and monocot root, absent in monocot stem. Pericycle is present below endodermis. In dicot stem, pericycle is multicellular, homogeneous or heterogeneous layer made up of parenchyma cells or patches of alternating parenchyma and sclerenchyma cells. Part of pericycle present above the phloem represent semilunar patch of sclerenchyma cells. In dicot stem, pericycle provides mechanical support and also involved in storage. In root, pericycle is one to few layered, made up of thick-walled parenchymatous cells. In dicot root, pericycle performs formation of lateral roots and also formation of strips of vascular cambium and complete cork cambium, whereas in monocot root, pericycle form only lateral roots. Root hairs and branches of stem are exogenous in origin. Lateral roots and adventitious roots are endogenous in origin, developed from pericycle, endodermis or phloem. Lateral roots develop from pericycle cells present in front of xylem, pith also called medulla. Third zone of ground tissue system, made up of loosely arranged parenchymatous cells having intercellular spaces present in the central part of dicot stem, dicot and monocot root, absent in monocot stem. In dicot stem and monocot root, pith is well developed and conspicuous, whereas in dicot root, pith is less developed, inconspicuous, or even absent. Pith rays, also called medullary rays, generally found in dicot stem. It represents cells of outer part of pith which get extended passing through the vascular bundle, help in radial conduction of materials. Pith is involved in storage of food and other compounds like tannin, alkaloid, flavonoid, etc. With reference to leaf, ground tissue system is undifferentiated, not divided into its different zones. Hypodermis, general cortex, endodermis, pericycle, pith and pith rays are absent in leaf. In leaf, ground tissue system is represented by or called mesophyll, can be differentiated into palisade tissue and spongy tissue. Vascular tissue system, also called fascicular tissue system, conducting tissue system, or specific tissue system. Vascular tissue system made up of complex permanent tissues, that is xylem and phloem, involved in conduction or transportation. Vascular tissue system arise from procambium. Xylem represents water conducting vascular tissue and phloem represents food conducting vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem together called as or form vascular bundle. Types of vascular bundle based on relative position of xylem and phloem. First, radial vascular bundle. Xylem and phloem are present at different axes or radii. Xylem and phloem alternate with each other. Here, xylem is exarch. Between xylem and phloem, cambium, that is intrafascicular cambium, is absent. For example, dicot and monocot root. Conjoint vascular bundle. Xylem and phloem are present at same axis. Types. First, collateral type. Phloem present outer side and xylem present inner side. Further divided into two types. Small a, open type. Between phloem and xylem, strip of cambium, that is intrafascicular cambium, is present. For example, dicot stem. Small b, closed type. Between xylem and phloem, strip of cambium is absent. For example, monocot stem. Second, bicollateral type. Phloem is present on both outer side and inner side the xylem. It is always open type. For example, Solanaceae, Myrtaceae, Cucurbitaceae. Concentric vascular bundle. One vascular tissue surrounds other vascular tissue. Types. First, heterocentric or amphicribal type. Phloem surrounds the xylem. Xylem present in the center surrounded by phloem. For example, prunus, dicot, fern. Second, leptocentric amphivessel type. Xylem surrounds the phloem. Phloem present in the center surrounded by xylem. For example, Yucca, Dracaena, Stele. All the tissues or layers present inside endodermis called stele. Stele includes pericycle, xylem, phloem, pith and pith rays. Stele represents central mass of vascular tissues with or without pith covered by pericycle. Stele originated in division pteridophyta. Tissues present inside the stele called intrastellar tissue and tissues present outside the stele called extrastellar tissues.